Once children are secure in column addition, we move on to column addition with exchange. This is how we add two two-digit numbers together using exchanging. We're going to demonstrate with 24 add 16. First, we label our tens and ones column. We're going to partition 24 into its tens and ones. We place two tens under the tens column and the 4 ones under the ones column, like so. Now we're going to repeat this with 16. 16, we're going to partition it into its tens and ones. We place 1 10 under the tens column underneath 20, and we put 6 ones in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both numbers need to be aligned and under each other in the right columns. With all calculations, we're going to write the equal sign underneath. I'm going to add the addition sign next to it so I know that we are adding both numbers together. With all calculations, whether it's addition or subtraction, we always start on the right hand side. In this calculation, we're going to add up the ones together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this calculation, there are 10 ones altogether. So we are going to exchange the 10 ones for 1 10. So I'm going to group them. I'm going to swap it for 1 10. I'm going to place this 10 underneath the equal sign in the tens column. 10 is made up of 1 10 and 0 ones. So I'm going to leave this one empty. In my abstract side, I'm going to put 0 here because 0 is a placeholder, and the 10 underneath. Next, I'm going to add up the tens. 1, 2, 3, and the 1 underneath, 4. There are 4 tens altogether, and don't forget to add the 1 underneath the equal sign. And then I'm going to put the 4 in the tens column. There are 4 tens altogether and 0 ones, which means that there is 40 altogether. 24 add 16 equals 40. This is how we add two numbers together with two digits using exchanging. I am going to demonstrate with 24 add 16. Already I have split my page into pictorial on the left and abstract on the right, and I've already written the calculation there. First, we're going to label our tens and ones. I'm going to partition the first number 24 into its tens and ones. I'm going to draw the tens. There are 2 tens. I'm going to draw them 2 squares long. That represents 20. And now I'm going to draw the ones. There are 4 ones. And I'm going to draw them in a dice formation. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to repeat this with 16. 16 has 1 10 and 6 ones. I'm going to draw the 10 and put it directly underneath the 20, and then I'm going to draw the ones. It has 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, both numbers need to be aligned under each other, under the ones and the tens. And with all calculations, whether it's addition or subtraction, we always start on the right hand side. In this calculation, let's count up the ones. I'm going to cross them off as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ones altogether. Therefore, I'm going to exchange the 10 ones for a 10. I'm going to put the 10 underneath the tens column, underneath the equal sign. Next, we're going to add up the tens. There are 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. But there is also a 10 underneath that we exchange, so therefore there are 4 tens altogether. and we're going to draw them in the equal sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we exchange the ones for a 10, there are no ones. So altogether there are 40. We're going to look at the abstract side. We're going to add up the ones column. We're going to always start on the right hand side. So 4 add 6 is 10. 10 is made up of 0 ones. So we're going to draw the 0 there. And we're going to exchange the 10 ones for a 10. And we're going to put them underneath the equal sign, like so. Now we're going to add up the tens column. There are 2 tens. Add up 1 10 equals 3. And then the 1 underneath, there are 4 tens altogether. Therefore, 24 add 16 equals 40.